Clinic Assist defines a product as a service or a collection of services offered during the course of a patient appointment, a vaccination for example. Before you can create your products, you must first ensure you have defined your product categories, groups that help you organise your services, and any certificates required at appointment completion. This is achieved using the Settings function from the left-hand toolbar. This tutorial focuses on basic product creation, so let's begin. Start by selecting the Settings feature from the left-hand toolbar and then Products from the flyout menu. Click Add a new product. Enter a relevant name for your product and assign it to an appropriate category. If this product requires a certificate on completion, select it from your predefined list. You can also add specific keywords to make use of search functionality. If using the inbuilt stock control feature, select the Stockable Item checkbox and ensure the product is active. Enter a cost for this service and assign the clinic time required for any paperwork and attendance with the relevant clinician. Modules are predefined forms to enable ease of data collection. Each has a different subject relevance. In this instance, select the Vaccine module and click Save. Your new product will be available in your global product list for appointment assignment. And don't forget the always available help via the F1 key. Clinic Assist from Data Partnerships.